There are three main things you need for this shrunken head bob costume. The first is PVC pipe, something strong and structural that will not bend, with 2 blocks used to create shoulders. These are yoga blocks. You could also use sponges. So that's the base for our shoulders for the costume. And then you will need a shrunken head. So this is simply a skull from the dollar store, painted with 2 styrofoam eyes. You will see the full tutorial in the blog post. And that is attached to a white hat with a white collared shirt and tie. So the collared shirt and tie we found at the thrift store, and it is simply hot glue gunned to our shrunken head skull. Finally, you will need a yellow suit. This suit is from Amazon, and we have modified only one thing in the suit, and that is to cut a hole here in the side of the suit and in the arm of the suit. This way, whoever's wearing it, this is where their elbow goes, and the rest of this space is filled up by those blocks for the shoulders. So be sure to follow along in the blog post. You will find all the links to the products that you need, as well as instructions on how to put this look together.